Hello, today we'll be drawing Archie the Axolotl, Squishmallow. We're going to start with the two big eyes. 1, 2. Once you're done with that, we're going to add in the little highlights. 1, 2. Now we can fill in the area. Avoid the highlight area. Now that you have your eyes complete, we can move over to the mouth. It's just going to be a simple W. We have one U here. And the repeat on the other side. With the face complete, we can move over to the body. We're going to start with a parentheses line over here on the left side of the body, go all the way down to here. And we're going to repeat that on the other side. Once you have that complete, we're going to connect the two on the top. Like that. Now repeat this on the bottom. We're going to connect the two. I'm going to do it in 2 lines. We're going to go for one to the middle. And the second line to complete it. With the body complete, now we can draw in the arms. Start from the middle of the body and go out like this. And then complete it by going down and going back to the body. Once you're done with that, repeat on the other side. Go out like this. And complete from the middle. Now we could draw the cute fins on the head. We're going to start from here, top left of the head. Draw a line out like this. And once you're done with that, we're going to go here. Don't go all the way down, just stop right there. And then we're going to draw 2 mountain shapes. 1, 2. With that done, we're going to connect it to the body around here. And that's one of the fins. Or the ears of the axolotl. And we're going to repeat it on the other side. Curve like this. 1 mountain shape. 2. And 3. And then just connect it to the body. With that complete, we can now move over to the belly of the body. It's just going to be a line from here all the way up. And repeat on the other side. And then now, time to finally connect the two. And there you have it. Your cute picture of Archie the Axolotl from Squishmallows. Now let's just add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.